Hello beauties, how are we all? Are you all having a really good weekend? I hope you are. I already showed them. I showed them earlier today. I want to put them on the face. So I don't have a primer though, so I'm going to have to use... I wonder if this would work as a glass skin primer. Shall we try this? Yeah, I'll use this under the foundation that I've got. So this is the Revolution Glass Halo Highlighter Stick. And I normally do something like this anyway before I put foundation down, but it might be a bit too pink. But when I was swatching it on the back of my hand, it wasn't even showing up. So let's see, I'm scared. I hope it's not going to be greasy. Can't really see anything, can you? Said that to my mum and she went, oh, you can. I do have other Revolution primers, but I just want to use the new products I was sent. So I was sent £50 worth of products, or I could choose £50 worth of products. I think it came to £60.11 or something like that. So I just put the remaining to it because I wanted these products. Anyway, I've got an affiliate code for you to use if you want to choose any of these products. A lot of them have gone viral and a lot of them are trending, so I want to try them out with you. So the first trending product I want to try out, it's not been working for some people and I've just put quite a lot of skincare on, so it might not work for me today. Now if it doesn't work, if it like kind of pills, is my error because I put too much skincare on, because I've been testing different skincares. So it's the Fair Neutral Revolution Super Dewy Skintint SPF 30 Broad Spectrum UVB and UVA. I would never ever use this just as an SPF. I personally would use SPF 50 under this. It says natural finish, brightens and blurs. I didn't know it blurs. It's got kombucha extract, natural antioxidant, peptides, protects skin barrier, vitamin C, and has a brightening active in it. Now, some of my skincare is brightening, so my skin's already looking very brightened. Comes in a pretty package like that. It is super dewy. Because I have been looking on Makeup Revolution's website and I do see that it's super dewy. But I'm going to put some on, and I think oh, it's runny as well. I don't know if this is my shade. It looks okay. I think I got the second lightest. I'm gonna blend it out with a finger rather than a sponge, because I feel like a sponge is just gonna soak this up. I feel like it's like quite water based. Can you see what I mean? Right, we'll start on the forehead. Don't know if I've put enough product up there. Might have to do the eyes in a separate video. Just see how we go. It actually is the right colour for me, I think. I'm feeling, I know I've got a lot of skincare on, but I'm feeling it's so moisturised. Moisturising. Like normally I get dry here, but I have done an exfoliator. I have exfoliated and it's not looking dry at all. But I think a lot of that's down to the foundation as well, you know. I don't have, well I do have a powder bronzer from Revolution. I'm not using it. I'm just going to use what I've got here. Oh, that's really is dewy. I like it. And I'm not going to be putting my Revolution powder on either. Right, so this, I didn't really notice anything of this. I don't know if you guys did. I'll need to go back and have a look. I didn't notice it doing anything. I'm not putting it over the foundation, just purely because I don't want it to take... We can try it actually, but I don't want it to take off the foundation. So I think I'd only put that over the foundation if I used my Revolution powder. I might just have to do that. Right, so I don't have a concealer, but what I do have is another viral, well, it's a viral palette. They've just brought it out. It's just on the Revolution Instagram page. So it's the Revolution Amalfi Glow. This is absolutely stunning. They have another Revolution palette out like this. It's a face-based palette. And I want that, but I can't get it. All the shades in Fair, no matter where you look, whether that's TikTok Shop, Boots or Superdrug, they're not selling them anymore. And even Amazon aren't selling them anymore. But in this, I know I'm going off on a tangent. In this, you're getting eyeshadows, as you can see there. And then over here, that one I'll be able to use for concealer. So let's try it. Right, I'm sure this is a concealer brush. It's a bit stained, but I'm just going to go into that lighter shade. I'll probably have to warm it up. Ooh. Oh, that's brightening. Put some on here, so I don't have a primer by Revolution. Get rid of those purple veins I've got. Yeah, I definitely think the eyeshadows are going to have to come later. Just because I've got some other products to try. That is really, really nice for concealer. Right, I'm going to use this brush for this. So we're going to go in with the Revolution Balm in Rose Pink. You can chuck that box away. Just comes in a little container like that. I might actually be able to do the eyeshadow. And then that's the colour of it. Really, really pretty. So these kind of products really need warming up. And it's a multifunctional product. You can use it on your cheeks like I'm doing now. Oh, that's blending out like a dream. And you could also use it on your lips. So we'll put it on the lips as well. Just gives you that really nice sun-kissed look, doesn't it? I'll have to find my Revolution mascara. I got that in the last haul. I think it's in the front room actually. We'll use that because that's new, but it didn't come in this haul. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do the eyeshadow in the next video. But look at that blush. So I found this when I was looking for my mascara. I got that in a previous haul, so I don't think it's wrong of me using it. I really, really like this, guys. I would like the pink one, so you can tell I've used it. We're going to chisel out just here. I'd recommend this. And I normally powder just down the T-zone. I don't want it to be fully powdered. I really wish I would have got a setting spray, but I have got a lot of setting sprays. So that's the powder on. I've got this Revolution Wrap Lash, but I'm going to put that on when I do the eyeshadow. But that's the face-based makeup. I'm really, really loving it. I'll be doing eyeshadow in part 2, so don't forget to check that out.